Today we're going to demonstrate the VMI NorthStar E conversion in a Chrysler Voyager chassis. I love this conversion because of its simplicity. It's designed for a wheelchair user that always has a caregiver or driver with them to handle the manual ramp. The ramp is very easy to operate. Simply grab the handle and pull or push to deploy or stow. The ramp is 29 inches wide and has a 1,000 pound weight capacity. The in-floor ramp feature gives you the safety advantage of loading and unloading ambulatory passengers on the non-traffic curb side of the vehicle without deploying the ramp. The front passenger seat is easily removable, allowing an adult wheelchair user to ride up front. If you are looking for a simple, low-maintenance, very affordable conversion option, consider the VMI NorthStar E conversion in the Chrysler Voyager. If you have any questions about this or any of our other conversions, please contact your local mobility consultant, which you can find at superiorvan.com. Thanks for watching.